Tap on start, skip, just a second, don't copy. As you can see, the screen is locked, the phone is locked. It requires PIN or the Google account to continue. Unfortunately, the client doesn't remember either. So here's how to bypass it step by step. Go back, tap on, tap on choose language of your choice. After that, tap on start, skip. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Don't copy. Go back. At the network connection screen, make sure you are connected to the internet. Scroll down to add. A keyboard will appear. After the keyboard has appeared, long press at the language icon, choose language settings, and choose language settings. A list of languages will appear. Instead of choosing one, tap on add keyboard. Tap on add keyboard. A new page will open with a list of all languages. Scroll down and find the one written as AS, capital A and small s. After that, tap on the top 3 dots at the top of your screen, then tap on help and feedback. At the help and feedback page, tap on browse all articles. Let's wait just a second. From there, tap on the share icon. You'll see Gmail messages. Tap on Gmail, and from there tap on skip. After skip, tap on add an email address. From there, skip the rest and tap on other. From there, tap on the icon of the languages. From there, change it to English and enter any email of your choice. From there, tap on next. After next, tap on manual setup, then go head on to exchange. From there, instead of setting up a new password, tap on client certificate, select, then set lock. From there, set new pin. You are required to set a new pin. So for me, I'm going to set it as 2025. Yeah, 2025. I guess that's best. Then I'm going to reconfirm 2025. After that, I tap back. Are you sure you want to go back? Yes. Back. Go back to the starting point. Once you are at the starting point, tap on change language. Choose language English or your desired language. From there, tap on start again, then skip. After skip, let's wait a second. Don't copy. Tap on don't copy. As you can see on this page, tap input the pin you just set previously, 2025. Then continue. After inputting your pin, go back. As you can see at the top screen, the lock icon has disappeared. That means the phone has been bypassed. FRP has been bypassed. Let's wait. Let us wait. Tap on don't copy. Wait again some seconds. From there, sign in. No, skip. Just skip. Skip everything. Skip. Skip anyway. Also skip. More. Accept. Wait. Select your country, that is Kenya. You have to find Kenya. Kenya, any country you are. You can select your current location. Okay, for me I'll select Kenya. Then next. Have you read? Yes. Next. And there you have it. FRP bypass on Tecno Pouvoir 3 Air. Done successfully. You can see the message that says the phone hasn't been updated in over 200 days. That confirms the bypass is complete. If you